If you've ever needed an ID card for work, school, or events and thought it would be complicated, stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional ID card using Canva on your PC, and by the end, you'll have a custom design ready to download or print. Start by opening Canva on your computer. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. It only takes a moment and gives you full access to all the templates. Once you're logged in, head to the search bar at the top and type ID card. Canva will instantly pull up a wide selection of layouts: modern, minimalist, colorful, corporate, you name it. Take a quick scroll and pick the one that matches your style or purpose. When you find a template you like, click on it and select Customize this template. This opens a design editor where you can make it completely your own. Now let's personalize it. Click any text box to edit the name, title, or other details. You can change the font, size, and alignment with the formatting bar that pops up. Try to keep things clean and readable, especially for names and job titles. Next, add your photo. Most templates have a placeholder image you can click on. Upload your own picture from your computer, then drag, resize, and position it so it fits neatly in the frame. Make sure the face is clearly visible since that's what identifies the card holder. Once you're happy with the details and layout, zoom out and review everything. Double check for spelling mistakes, sizing issues, or text that looks off center. A quick review can make your design look much more professional. When everything looks polished, hit the download button at the top right. Choose the format you prefer: PNG, JPG, or PDF, and save it directly to your computer. From there, you can print it, laminate it, or use it digitally depending on your needs. And that's it. Creating an ID card on Canva is literally that simple. If this helped you out, feel free to explore more Canva tutorials and try different styles for teams, schools, or events. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next guide.